we'll guide you through how to download Dropbox on your PC. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your favorite web browser and type in dropbox.com in the address bar, then hit enter. Once the Dropbox website loads, you'll see a download button prominently displayed on the home page. Click on it to begin the download process. The installer file should start downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder or wherever your downloads are saved. Double-click the installer file to run it. A window will pop up asking for permission to make changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. The Dropbox installer will open and guide you through the setup process. You'll need to accept the terms and conditions to proceed. After that, you can choose the installation type. For most users, the typical installation is recommended, so select that option and click Install. The installation process will take a few minutes. Once it's done, Dropbox will launch automatically. If you already have a Dropbox account, you can sign in with your credentials. If not, you can create a new account by clicking on Sign Up. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-up process. Once you're signed in, Dropbox will start syncing your files. You can now access your Dropbox folder on your PC like any other folder, making it easy to drag and drop files to and from your Dropbox. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Dropbox on your PC. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.